Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL NATASHA binti Abu Talib. I want to talk about the definition of occupational safety and health, or OSH. OSH refers to the process of identifying hazard in the workplace and assessing how they might affect the safety and health of the employees. It is also about protecting, promoting, and maintaining a safe environment for workers, and also ensure they are not exposed to any dangers that could lead to accident or injuries. Occupational safety and health important because it helps to prevent workplace hazards such as falls, electrical shocks, machine breakdown, and exposure to harmful substances. By addressing these risks early, employees are protected from serious harm. Second, OSH ensures that companies comply with safety regulation as required by law, which is Occupational Safety and Health Act, and which is helping them to avoid penalties and maintain a good reputation. And lastly, when occupational safety and health OSH measures are implemented effectively, they leads to a greater operational efficiency and improve the productivity. When employees feel safe and valued, their morale increase, which contribute to a better overall performance and reduction in absenteeism.
My name is DEWI NATASHA binti ROSMAN. My mention number is 2025746635. Today, I will be introducing Gamuda Industrial Building System Sudan Berhad, known as the Gamuda IBS. Gamuda IBS is the subsidiary of Gamuda Berhad, one of the Malaysia leading engineering firm. Founded on the 5 May 1998 as a Gamuda Building System Sudan Berhad, it was renamed in 2015 to reflect its commitment to innovation. Headquartered in Petaling Jaya, Gamuda IBS focus on producing and installing prefabricated concrete panels, driving the adoption of industrialized building technology in Malaysia. Gamuda IBS is also deeply committed to nation building, especially through affordable housing. It has delivered over 2,000 homes through Gamuda Land and contributed to key projects such as Rumah Selangorku, which is Pangsapuri Gapura Bayu in Kazang. Next is Idama Residency in Cyberjaya, and lastly Kunang Estate in Selangor. This project highlight its role in promoting social progress and sustainable urban development.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SYAH binti AZNAM, and I will explain about the safety and health issue that occurred at Gamuda Industrial Building System Sundaram Berhad. The first issue happened on 7 September 2024 at the Sungai Rasau water treatment plant in Puchong. During the early morning, an embankment collapsed due to unstable soil condition. The soil in that area had weak cohesion and high sand content, which was not properly identified or strengthened before the construction. This caused flooding at the site and injured 2 workers. Even though there were no fatalities, this incident raised questions about the lack of proper soil assessment, especially since the site was previously used for the mining. The second issue took place on 3 March 2018 at the MRT SSB line project in Jinjiang. A launching gantry, which is a large steel structure used to lift concrete segment, suddenly collapsed while being moved. This tragic event resulted in the death of 1 worker. Investigation suggested that there might have been misalignment or failure of temporary supports, which points to weaknesses in machinery handling and safety procedure. Now, let's take a look at the root causes that contributed to this incident. The first cause is poor geotechnical risk assessment at the Sungai Rasau site. No thorough soil testing or ground analysis was done before the construction began. The unstable ground from the past mining activities was ignored, which eventually led to the embankment collapse. This shows a serious lack of planning and preventive action. The second cause is improper maintenance of machinery. In the MRT project, the launching gantry was not properly inspected or maintained. Safety checks and repair schedule may have been delayed or skipped, which increased the risk of mechanical failure. This neglect directly contributed to the collapse and the tragic loss of lives. The third cause is the lack of proper training and supervision. Many workers may not have been fully trained to handle risky equipment or recognize early warning signs. At the same time, the site supervisors failed to monitor conditions closely. Without strong supervision and safety awareness, dangerous situations were missed or ignored until it was too late.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SUFFIAN bin SABARANI, and I would like to share with you a brief overview of the foundation of safety, occupational safety and health essential for construction program. So in this construction industry, workers are constantly exposed to serious risks such as falls from heights, machinery-related injuries, structural collapses, and even electrical hazards. But these dangers make construction one of the most hazardous industry in the world. Because of that, ensuring a safe working environment not just a legal requirement, but it is a moral responsibility. So, in this training, program was created to tackle these issues by equipping construction workers and related personnel with the essential knowledge, skills, attitude, and to prioritize safety in every task. The first goal of this course is to prevent accidents before happen. It does by helping participants understand how to identify workplace hazards, assess risks, and apply effective control measures. It also emphasizes compliance with national safety laws and industry standards, which is key to avoiding legal issues and protecting lives. Beyond just technical knowledge, the course also focuses on building a strong safety mindset. It encourages workers to take proactive steps like conducting regular site inspection, reporting unsafe condition, and promoting open communication around safety concerns. This kind of safety culture ensures that everyone on site, from the newest worker to senior project managers, takes ownership of keeping the workplace safe. So this program is tailored to a wide audience, including construction workers, site supervisors, safety officers, engineers, and project managers. By bringing everyone to the same page, it helps to strengthen teamwork and coordination in enforcing safety practices. After completing this 10 to 12-hour course, participants will receive a certificate of attendance and be officially recognized as trained person for the OSH coordinator role. In summary, the foundation of safety program is more about avoiding incidents. It's about changing how we approach construction works.
Next, I will be presenting second module, which is ground penetrating radar GPR machine training. Before that, I would like to introduce my name. My name is NURUL HANIS binti Muhammad MAHADZIR, student ID 2025721657. Okay, continue to the module. This module aims to equip the site workers and technical personnel with knowledge and skills required to operate GPR machine. This training will help to reduce the risk related with underground utilities causing collapse or exposed to hazardous materials. The outcome from this training is participants will gain understanding of the standard operating procedures SOP for the GPR operation, safety precautions, data interpretation techniques, and maintenance protocol. This training welcome all the engineers, project managers, geologists, and environmental officers who are actively working on the sites to join and participate in this training to have an overview to use the machine. This training will only take 3 days in total, which will be allocated 1 day for the indoor training and briefing over the machine operation and 2 days for on-site learning. All the participants will be handed certificate of participation after completing all the training module.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shah IKMAL bin SUJIDIN. So I would like to explain about Module 3, which is Internal Audit and OSH Risk Assessment for IBS factories. This training is made to help the company safety team learn how to find and assess risk at work. They will also learn how to do regular safety check, which is audits, to make sure everyone is following the rules and working safely. The goal is to make sure the company's safety system is working well and meets the ISO 45001 standard, which is an international guidelines for keeping workplace safe and healthy. By doing this, the company can prevent accidents, improve safety, and make sure it follows all the required safety rules. So next is we can look right side, which is flyers for module 3. What participant can get in this module, which is first enhance audit skills. Participants learn how to conduct internal OSH audits based on ISO 45001 standards effectively. Second, compliance mastery. Participants understand how to ensure ongoing compliance with occupational safety regulations and industrial requirements. Last but not least, team collaborations. Uh, Participants collaborate with QA or QC, safety supervisors, and other departments for holistic OSH improvement. This module can improve skill participants, and for last this module, participants will receive certificate if successful complete this training.
To conclude, the implementation of occupational safety and health that practices at Gamuda Industrial Building System Sdn Bhd is essential to protect workers' health and safety. It is also to help enhance the productivity and reduce legal and reputational risks. As a high-risk sector, the construction industry requires strict safety measures to prevent accidents, injuries, and long-term health issues. Effective occupational safety and health management foster a positive safety culture, boost employees' morale, reduce absenteeism, and improve overall efficiency. It's also compliance with the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 and standard like MS ISO 45001 ensures legal conformity and helps to avoid costly penalties. That's all from us. Thank you.